Hi, this is Andrew Connell with Critical Path Training, and what I want to talk about here is spend a little bit of time talking about some of the in-place records management capabilities that we have inside of SharePoint Server 2010 ECM, as well as some of the unique document ID, a new capability we have in SharePoint. So the in-place records management here, this is addressing an issue that we had in the previous version of SharePoint, where you had to store records and official files in one specific library within one specific site that uses a specific site template inside SharePoint. The records are no longer tied to a specific site anymore. We now have in-place records management, where it's just a feature that I can activate on my site collection. And what that's going to do is that's going to give me the ability to go into any document library that has the capabilities enabled, and I can just say, mark this as an official file. That file then is going to be locked to where nobody can make any changes to it, and it's indicated by a special icon in the document library, so that now I don't have to go through and have these things locked down and sent to a specific site anymore. They can be locked down in the site that they're currently in. So that's just one capability that we have. Another one that we have is this unique document ID service. Now, what this is a new capability that is addressing the challenge of when documents are moved around within a site collection. So if I have a site collection and I take a document from one document library or folder and I move them to another one, it can be quite challenging to find where that document went, because the old URL isn't effective anymore. When I turn on the feature for the document ID service, every document is going to be assigned a unique identifier, and then you can use a specific URL with the document ID on the query string to get access to go find that document wherever it may reside now. So this is going to make it easier for us to find documents within a site collection. The document IDs are unique to the site collection itself, so you're free to go through and move this document around as much as you want within that site collection, and you can be fairly confident you can be very confident in knowing that you'll be able to find it using a specific URL. So in this brief session, we just talked a little bit about in-place records management inside of Enterprise Content Management in SharePoint Server 2010, as well as the new unique document ID service.